Honor just introduced something way crazier: the robot phone. Yep, a smartphone with a built-in 3-axis gimbal camera that literally follows you around. Just like a DJI Osmo, but packed right inside the phone's camera bump. When you activate it, a glass panel slides open and the mini robotic camera pops out, moving on its own to track faces, film events, or even look around while sitting on a table. It's wild. Your phone can now move its own camera without you touching it. The idea is simple but genius. Skip the selfie camera and let the rear camera rotate to face you instead. Whether you're vlogging, on a video call, or filming hands-free shots, this phone does the pointing for you. Sure, it raises privacy questions. A phone that can watch everything around it sounds both awesome and a little creepy, but that's the kind of bold innovation Honor is known for. The robot phone is expected to make its first public debut at MWC 2026. And if it works anything like the teaser promises, this could be the wildest smartphone experiment we've seen in years. Google Japan is at it again, turning pure chaos into genius. Meet the Gboard dial version, a rotary phone keyboard that lets you dial your messages instead of typing them. Yes, you literally stick your finger into tiny holes and spin the dial like it's 1955. It's absurd, and yet kind of brilliant. The design uses a 3-layer dial system, so you can actually input multiple characters at once. It's slow, sure, but there's something weirdly relaxing about it. Typing becomes this intentional, almost meditative experience, a break from the fast-paced world of swiping and autocorrect. You won't be writing essays on it, but for short messages, it's nostalgic perfection. It's ridiculous. It's slow. And it's exactly the kind of delightful madness we love from Google Japan. Next up, the OrigamiSwift folding mouse. Finally, a travel mouse that doesn't steal half the space in your bag. It folds completely flat, literally like origami, and then snaps into a full-sized, ergonomic mouse in less than a second. No weird compromises, no wobbly buttons, just pure, clever engineering. It connects via Bluetooth, feels solid enough for daily use, and tracks with the same precision as a desktop mouse. If you're always working from coffee shops or airports, this thing is a game changer. Sure, it costs more than your average portable mouse, but honestly, once you try this folding magic, you'll never want to go back. Say hello to the Cearvol Wave, the world's first touchscreen hearing aids that look nothing like traditional medical devices. At first glance, you'd swear these are next-gen earbuds, but they're actually smart OTC hearing aids engineered with FDA-style design standards for the modern world. The Wave blends medical-grade precision with lifestyle design. It's super lightweight, ultra-comfortable, and powered by AI noise reduction that adapts to your surroundings in real time, so voices stay crystal clear even in a noisy cafe or crowded street. Everything is personalized through the Cearvol app. You can fine-tune your hearing profile, adjust modes, and even use your phone as a remote microphone for extra clarity during meetings or lectures. And the best part? A full charge takes just 1 hour. No more bulky, outdated devices. This is hearing reimagined. Cearvol's campaign on Indiegogo blew past its goal in just over a day, and it's easy to see why. The Wave isn't just helping people hear again. It's redefining what hearing tech can be. Meet the Bigme Hibreak Pro Color, a phone that's actually trying to calm you down instead of frying your brain with endless notifications. This device joins the growing movement of anti-smartphones, designed for people who want connection without distraction. But unlike most minimalist phones, this one runs Android 14 with Google Play support, so it's still a real smartphone, just with a calmer, eye-friendly color e-ink display. The Kaleido 3 panel brings subtle colors, not flashy or bright, but perfect for icons, books, and articles. You get the comfort of e-ink without losing usability. Specs? Solid. 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and the kind of performance that makes it totally capable as a daily phone. Just don't expect it to handle YouTube marathons or fast gaming. Compared to rivals like the remarkable Paper Pro Move, which is all about note-taking, the Hibreak Pro focuses on being a proper phone that helps you stay mindful, not addicted. It's not here to compete with your iPhone. It's here to slow your life down. And honestly, that might be the smartest upgrade of all. Samsung might finally be back in the performance game. And this time, it's serious. Leaks suggest that the upcoming Exynos 2600 is a total powerhouse, bringing massive jumps in GPU and NPU performance. We're talking about a chip that's reportedly 6 times faster in AI tasks than Apple's A19 Pro, and still manages to outperform Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 in both CPU and graphics. Yeah, Samsung's cooking something big. And here's where things get interesting. Rumors say every Galaxy S26 model could feature the Exynos 2600, not just the base version. But don't expect it everywhere. The US, China, and Japan will still get the Snapdragon, while Korea and Europe will roll with Exynos. Meanwhile, the S26 Edge has reportedly been canceled, pushing the entire lineup's mass production into early 2026, meaning we'll likely see a March launch instead of the usual January event. Samsung's not just trying to catch up this time, it might actually be leading the race. Say hello to the BOOX P6 Pro, the pocket-sized reader that's redefining what an e-reader can be. Forget the old black and white pages. This thing brings full-color e-ink and 5G connectivity right to your hand. Yeah, we're talking about a reader that's as connected as your phone, but still gentle on your eyes like paper. It rocks a gorgeous 6-inch Kaleido 3 display with 300 ppi for text and 150 for color. That means your books look sharp and your comics and magazines finally pop the way they're meant to. Add a warm front light with adjustable color temperature, and you can read comfortably anywhere, from a sunny park bench to a dark airplane cabin. Under the hood, the P6 Pro's packing real power. A quad-core processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of storage, plus microSD expansion. It runs Android, so you can install your favorite reading or productivity apps. It's not just an e-reader. It's practically a mini tablet built for book lovers. And here's where it gets wild. 5G data. This isn't your typical Wi-Fi-only reader. You can grab new books, sync notes, or update your library anywhere you have a signal. It won't replace your phone. The SIM is data only, but it makes reading on the go completely seamless. Compared to its rivals, like the Palma 2 or Bigme Hibreak Pro, the BOOX P6 Pro stands out with that sweet combo of color and 5G in such a small, pocketable form. Add physical page turn buttons and that slim, one-hand-friendly design, and it's perfect for commuters, travelers, or anyone who just wants their next chapter instantly. No Wi-Fi hunting required. This is what happens when e-reader makers start thinking like innovators. The BOOX P6 Pro isn't just about reading. It's about freedom, color, and connection, all in your pocket. And now for something straight out of an office apocalypse, the sticky note gun. Yep, it's exactly what it sounds like, a tiny memo machine gun that fires sticky notes instead of bullets. Created by designer Alex Marshall, this hilarious concept turns your brainstorming session into a full-on showdown. 2 versions exist, a slick high-contrast model and a vintage-looking steampunk edition. It's loud, it's ridiculous, and it's the only weapon that fires pure productivity. The future doesn't wait, and neither should you. If you love exploring the edge of innovation, make sure to subscribe, stay curious, and keep your eyes on iTech-Tale, where tomorrow begins today.